welcome to 5 Minutes of Weird Science with Dr. Dreadful Part 2. Today, with my partner Luigi, today we'll be making potions, magic potions. Okay, first one is fart potion. Just need a little bit of mixture of this. Then put it in a little beaker like this. Put it in a test tube. It's called the smelly mixer. I call it the smelly mixer. That's how we make fart potions. We have some fart potion. It makes you really farty. So I recommend putting it in a bottle, like this one. Whoa, put your smelly mixer into these kind of flasks. And then you have fart flask. And it's super smelly. The Granny's Touch potion. If you drink this potion, you will turn into a grandma or a grandpa. That's what I call the Grandma's Touch potion. Everything you touch will turn into grandmas. If you sleep, you're sleeping on 100 grandmas. It can be rough. If you hug your mom, she'll turn into a grandma. If you fart with the Granny's Touch potion, then it will turn into a grandma. Okay. That was called the Grandma's Touch Potion. Okay. Here's the Granny's Touch Potion. Froggy wants to taste some. Froggy, if you say so, you want Granny's Touch Potion. Oh, careful. Oh, I'm a grandpa. You want a huggy wuggy? Slow-mo potion time. Okay. You need a little bit of dish. This is the slow-mo potion. This is what happens if you drink a slow-mo potion. No, I'm slow. Oh no. If you drink double slow-mo potion, this is what happens. Polyjuice Potion now. Now we take a mixture of this blue take a mixture of this. Oh. Yeah, a Polyjuice Potion.
What is that?
That's how you make Polyjuice Potion. You pick someone's hair, you take one of someone's hair, and then put it in the Polyjuice Potion. Then you have Polyjuice Potion. Polyjuice Potion. I recommend using Polyjuice Potion with your hair. Green looking bottle. Look at that color of that bottom. Oh yeah, I like that. I like the bubbly green effect inside of it. I like the bubbly green effect. We're making an explosive potion, which I recommend calling it the Reducto Potion. Reductos is an exploding spell in Harry Potter. Now it's more darker. Ooh, I like that effect still. Just so dark in there, but it looks so cool. Thanks for coming to Dr. Dreadful's Weird Science. Part 3, coming soon.